Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to remove reaction on Instagram story. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. At first, open your Instagram app. For example, I am reacting to my friend's story and then I will remove it. So I'm just reacting like this one, and I will go to Messenger by clicking on this message button, then click on his name and then just click on the reaction and hold for 1 second. You will see this option and just click on unsend. Just click on it. Yeah, as you can see, it's removed. Actually, it's removed from both sides. So this is how you can remove reaction on Instagram. Thanks for watching.